Okay, well, this is pretty much everything that I have been using around my home over the past. Well, some of it I've been using for years, and some of it is new. And I'm just gonna go over everything here and let you know what I think will work. Some of this stuff I haven't actually used yet, but I just wanted to give you guys a quick video here. Let's just start with this. The Taro Ant Killer, okay? This is an outdoor granule shake that you can put around the perimeter of your home. It does work, but you have to use it a lot, okay? So this stuff here, I'm actually done with it, and I don't plan on buying any more for a while because I feel like the ants have built up a tolerance to it. I was using it mainly to keep the carpenter ants away, and it sort of did the job, but we still had problems with carpenter ants. But that's a much deeper issue, and I will get into that in a moment. This right here, only one time and one time only. If you watch any of my other videos, you will see that I have a video about the whole mouse thing, how I caught a little mouse or a rat actually in the basement having babies, and I removed them. I didn't physically remove the mother, but she obviously took off, and I don't know. I put these out and never caught any rats or mice or anything, so I didn't catch any rodents with it. So I don't know if it really works, but it's supposed to be the really good stuff. Who knows? Maybe they nibbled on some of it and took off and died somewhere. This stuff here, I guess it's working, but the packaging is terrible. You see this? This is actually closed, and it's still open, and it's making a mess everywhere. I don't recommend this. I do think that Spectracide is a good company, but I just don't recommend it, okay? Here's another one here, the Spectracide Bug Stop. This stuff is awesome. Amdro, Spectracide, Ortho Home Defense, all that stuff works great. I've used it all. I just go with Spectracide because it's the cheapest of them all, and it's just as effective, okay? Amdro, just bought this today. Not sure how it works. I will give you guys a follow-up. Bengal, the fire ant dust killer or whatever. It's supposed to be awesome. I picked it up because it was the last one they had. Haven't actually used it yet. Normally with ant mounds, I have another one that's an Amdro brand that I used. It worked pretty good. It works all right. These, what can I say? They're awesome. And because of these, oops, sorry for the shaky camera. Because of these, I used this, okay? So Taro inside the home, set it somewhere where it won't get kicked over because the gel that comes out of them makes a big time mess. This stuff is supposed to lead rodents to the trap. Well, never really saw it if it worked or not. I used it, but nothing happened. Any of these powders with borax in them are good to go, okay? Use them, they work. This stuff is awesome. Anything bio-advanced is great. It works. It helped take care of my carpenter ant issue. I put it all outside around the house and also inside the house. Mainly in the basement, but I did put a little bit inside. I sprayed it in all the cracks and crevices. This stuff is awesome. It works really, really well. I highly recommend it. This stuff, I never caught anything with it. I know that these things do work, but I'm not sure. This one here, I just picked it up today. I hear it's awesome. Spoke to a lady in the store who was getting it. She grabbed a couple of them. Then she put one back. She said, actually, one will do for now. She highly recommended it. Everyone recommends this. It's supposed to be awesome. I'm gonna try it. And this is just to seal everything possible. I've been using great stuff. I've been using all kinds of stuff. So this is my arsenal. And I have like one of those little pump canisters that you can put the pesticide in. I highly recommend it. I wish I had it out here to show you. Maybe I'll edit that into the video, but this is what I'm using. I will give you guys follow-up videos to let you know how it's working out. with my own basically do-it-yourself pest control right here. Speaking of do-it-yourself pest control, there's people who sell like third-party pesticides and are supposed to be really, really good. Well, I haven't had a whole lot of luck with those as of, recent times. So this stuff is just as good, if not better, in my opinion. Actually, I think it's better. So just stick with these products that you see here. I'm going to go on and give you guys one more look over here. Like I said, I'll have some follow-up videos coming out, but this is it.